Hello! Hi everyone! Today's video, we're going to make an incredible dish, simple and easy to make, and of course, taste super delicious! So, what should we wait for? Let's grab the ingredients and rock our kitchen and let's make the famous meal, Moussaka. Let's get started! First things first, we need to prepare the potatoes. Here I have 4 medium potatoes. You can adjust the way you like it, by the way. Peel, rinse, and slice them. Not too thin, not too thick. So, yeah. Then, 1 medium aubergine, rinse, and again slice. Well, we pretty much are going to do the similar thing with the others, like garlics and tomatoes. Here I just thinly sliced this yellow pepper, just a quarter of it, because this actually only for the garnish at the end later on. Once everything prepared, now we'll move on to our stove. Prepare some oil in the pan. Fry the aubergine and the potatoes only half cooked. Why? Yeah, because we're going to bake them again later on. Next, add and cook the ground meat to the pan. Add some black pepper and dill. And last, add in the minced garlic and tomatoes into the pan. Next, we're going to make the creamy sauce. What do we need? Simple, just combine eggs, milk, and flour in a bowl. Mix until smooth. And then, we're going to melt some butter into the pan, then cook the mixture until thickened. Once it's thickened like this, well, that's it! The sauce for our moussaka is ready. Last step before we assemble the moussaka. Add some eggs to the meat mixture, mix well, and add some black pepper and salt to taste. And done! That's it! Time to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, time to assemble the moussaka. So, the layer that I like is to put the potatoes on the first layer, followed with the meat mixture, then aubergine to the next layer, again the meat mixture, again potatoes and the sauce. And top it up with a cheese mixture which is made from egg yolk, milk, and cheese. Look at this. Looks beautiful and I bet super tasty. And don't forget to put the garnish before we bake it. We're going to bake the moussaka for about 30 to 45 minutes. And ta-da! Finally, our super beautiful and delicious, easy to make moussaka is ready! I really can't wait to try. Oh my! Look at this! Looks tasty and pretty! This meal is great for maybe breakfast, for sure lunch, and totally good for dinner. Well, for me, I can have them all the time. Because what? Because this is one of my favorite meal. Let's give it a try. Yes, this is exactly what I want. Such a good combination and perfectly tasty. Oh my, I need more. So guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to try this easy recipe moussaka at home. See you next time. Bye!